Hi vlog! So today I want to take photography photos. I haven't in a really long time and I'm feeling like I wanted to. My friend Naomi, she made like these TikToks of her taking photos and that inspired me. So thank you, Naomi. Also, I was supposed to go to a doctor's appointment. The road was so confusing. Like the way the numbers went up was so confusing. So I was like on the road for like 15 minutes or maybe even like 25, I don't know. But I ended up getting to the doctor's appointment 20 minutes late and they were like, you're too late. Like your appointment was a long time ago. So now I have to go back to the doctor in like 3 days, but it's fine because at least I planned something to do after the doctor. So yeah, I also have to pee really bad and I don't know where I can be, but you know, we're gonna figure it out, I guess. Oh, so I am back. My first location, possibly my last, I don't know. We'll see, it probably won't be. Okay, so we have this picture, which I would title a scam. I think I'm gonna post these on my photography Instagram and title that one a scam. I feel like a lot of my photos are really bad. That one's okay, I guess. It's a flag. The Theater Plaza one is okay. And I have a picture of their sign. Oh yeah, I got these picture of these little angel things by the courthouse. And that's pretty much it so far. So I don't know. I think when I drive around, I'll find something else to take a picture of. So I'm at this little beauty shop, but it has like this wall on it and it's like super cute. So I took some photos of that. Also, do you see Ronald McDonald over there? Do you see him? Why is Ronald McDonald here? It's a chocolate factory apparently, but it has Ronald McDonald. I'll show you some other photos I took. I took some photos at this antique shop that I saw when I was driving around. Has some like lions and some, I don't really know, like women. I don't know if they're supposed to be anything. And then I found this mermaid shop and I really want to go to the mermaid shop, but it's closed right now.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Hello, so I'm gonna be doing some spring cleaning. I used to be super materialistic and kind of a hoarder. I am gonna be cleaning out my foundation and concealer and bronzer and blush drawer. I have like a drawer that's like all of those combined. So basically I've been wearing like face makeup since I was like 12 maybe. I have all of my foundation and concealer like things saved, like containers saved, even though they are empty. Like I still have all my empty ones saved. I guess it's like hoarding on my heart. I don't know why I've never gotten rid of them before. I'm gonna get rid of them. Okay. Well, here is the drawer to start with. It looks like I have a lot, but like I don't really have a lot because most of them are empty. But when I'm done, it's gonna be very not full anymore because I'm gonna be throwing some stuff away. But look at how annoying this one is. So it like has some, like you can see that there's like liquid stuff in it, but like the little thing doesn't go far enough to get it. I might keep this one and like try to like scrub it out somehow. I don't really know. Okay, so I think I have gone through all of the foundations and concealers in a drawer. So I'm gonna try to tier rank them. I kind of don't really remember that well because some of them I literally used when I was like in like 7th, 8th grade. So it's been like a while, so some of my reviews might be off. This one, I feel like I remember being really good. It's the Smashbox Studio Skin, and as you can see, I like pretty much scraped the sides. So I was really trying to get use out of this. I feel like this one was good. So I'm gonna put this in good ranking. I don't know. This one, I remember being super bad. I went to Chanel. This sounds so fancy, but it was in Dillard's, I think. I went to the little like Chanel counter and they like matched my foundation, but it was just not like, it was not my foundation color, but the lady like matched it on my skin and it was just like way too dark for me, and it was like orangey and it was just not my foundation, and I wore it for like a really long time. So I was like orange for like 6 months of my life. Actually, I don't know how long it was. It was probably a while. I feel like the Too Faced one was okay. I don't really remember it that much. I feel like it was okay. This is the Born This Way. I don't really remember it, so I guess it wasn't memorable to me, so I'll put it in the okay rank. I feel like I remember this being good, but I also feel like I remember people saying that my makeup looked bad when I was wearing it. And I also know that the application thing for this thing is weird. It's like a dropper. You like You like squeeze it and then you like put it on your face. I feel like that's a weird applicator. I definitely do remember people making fun of me while having this foundation on and saying it wasn't my color. So I don't know. This one is not memorable to me. It is a L'Oreal True Match, so it's probably just an okay rank. Okay, so this Bare Minerals. This one is Bare Minerals Bare Pro. This one is Bare Minerals Bare Skin. This Bare Minerals, I remember sucking. It was like super watery and it was like too like dark and like orangey for me, but it was also like weirdly watery. Can you hear this? It still has stuff in it. Look at how watery that is. So it's like weirdly watery, so I don't like that. Yeah, I would try to like give this away, but it's also like so watery that I'm like, I feel like this one was okay, and that's why I bought the other one, because I wanted to do Bare Minerals again. So I feel like this one was good. This one I remember being bad. It is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. I remember this one being bad. I can actually remember a tutorial, one of my first tutorials. I think it's called like $20 makeup challenge. I put this on and I just can like remember it looking bad. Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. I feel like this one was good. This one I feel like was really good. It was a Naked Skin. I bought a lot of Naked Skin stuff for a while, so I think it was good. This one is a Revlon Color Stay Makeup. I don't remember this, so I'm guessing it was just fine. This one I remember being my like favorite foundation ever. It is the Hello Flawless Oil Free Oxygen Wow Broad Spectrum SPF 25 Brightening Sunscreen Makeup. That brings back PTSD of me doing a bunch of makeup tutorials and me like listing that whole thing down. I can like definitely remember me doing that. I feel like Rimmel London, the brand, is just bad. I don't think I've ever had like a good thing from that brand. Maybe lipstick. I feel like I've had lipsticks that were okay from there. This is the Clean and Clear thing. I feel like this is okay. I use like every drop, so I feel like that must have been it was good. Okay, so now I have some concealers. I have these two Naked ones, these two Naked Skins. I feel like the Naked Skin stuff was all good and I like kept buying more of it. Then I have this NYX one. I feel like I used this up really fast. Like I feel like I only had this foundation, or only had this concealer for like a few weeks. I don't know what this is, but it looks like a Rimmel one. Anyways, that is my tier rank of my foundations and concealers. Okay, that is the end of my vlog. Sorry that I didn't post for a while. I was sad, but I want to post more. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is to hit 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye. Hello. Okay, oh god.